Changing your PUBG profile picture using your Apple ID can be a bit tricky if you don't know the steps. First, I'll guide you through a straightforward process to get it done. This can be completed in just a few minutes with the right guidance. One common pain point is knowing where to start. Make sure you are already logged into PUBG Mobile on your iPhone. Access the game menu where your profile picture appears. It will usually be in the top right corner of your screen. Next, click on the circular icon of your current profile picture. This action should redirect you to a screen displaying your account details. It may take a few seconds, but hold tight, as this is where the magic happens. You'll see a small edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil or gear, next to your profile picture in the account details section, and cap it. This will prompt a set of options on how to proceed with changing the picture. Now this is where Apple ID comes into play. Select the option that connects to your Apple ID, which will allow you to modify the associated photo or avatar that represents you across Apple services. Here's where you might hit a snag. If your game is linked via Game Center, it requires a separate step within Apple's ecosystem. Ensure you go to your Apple ID settings and change your avatar image there as PUBG syncs from this. Pro tip, utilize Apple's Photos app to select a compelling image that you've edited to stand out. A great profile picture can make a striking first impression within the gaming community. Double check to see that your new image is properly updated by going back into PUBG Mobile. Sometimes you need to restart the app for changes to reflect, and then don't panic if you don't see it instantly. If you're still having trouble, the issue might rest with permissions. Go through your iPhone's app settings and ensure that PUBG Mobile has access to your photos and Apple's media library. It's always a bit of a dance with app permissions and syncing profiles, but diligence will prevail. Give it a moment, adjust settings if necessary, and your cool new avatar should proudly show up. If all else fails, reach out to Apple's support or check PUBG's support page. Sometimes updates or system changes can affect how syncing functions, so always ensure your system is updated. Once you manage it, enjoy, fellow gamers, admiring your new image. Stand out and express yourself through the profile choice you showcase. Happy gaming and picture changing.